Hello everybody, I'm Gary Massa with Massa & Associates, and happy Market Update Monday. Today we're going to be going over the hottest market in San Diego County and what to look forward to in the next couple of weeks. So as we move into the last week of April, that's right, the first month of Q1 is almost in the books. And as we've talked about, Q2 is typically the hottest time in the San Diego real estate market in terms of seasonality. And over the last 2 months, we've definitely seen a shift in demand, or an increase in buyer demand, as well as price points and a decrease in inventory, creating that multiple offers and overbidding, similar to what we were seeing last year. Now, next week on the 3rd and the 4th of May is the next Fed funds meeting. And as we know, our market's been super sensitive to interest rate shifts. And every time that we go into a Fed funds meeting, typically the week before or week after, things get a little quiet as buyers and the general market is starting to understand or wait to see how that news is going to impact our markets. So if the rates end up tending to go up right after that, we might see a slowdown, a little bit of a slowdown. If rates go down, we might see another spike and off to the races for the next couple of months through the end of summer. So definitely keep your eyes on what's going on in the real estate market over the next 2 weeks if you're buying or selling a home. So let's get into the hottest market in San Diego County. Now, typically this would be coming in at number 3 in terms of median price point, year-over-year growth. But this particular segment, it's coming in year over year. It's about 3% under in median price point. However, why I'm calling it the hottest market in San Diego County is because their list to sales price ratio has come back to 99.4%. Now, to start the year, this is East County, by the way, if I didn't mention that. But to start the year, East County was down to about 94, 93% list to sales price ratio. And now they're back almost to 100%, which is the strongest in, in the 4 quadrants of the San Diego market segments. Now, we've had a couple of clients that we've been working with trying to buy homes in East County since the beginning of the year. And we've noticed the demand pickup, prices now, like the last several offers. I think we've placed probably close to 15 to 20 offers between 4 or 5 different clients in the area over the last couple of months. Each one, especially in the last couple of weeks, we've been up against 20 to 30 offers. I think the lowest one was 20 offers, and the prices are going anywhere from 50 to 100%, or let's call it 8 to 12% over list price in every scenario that we've been personally involved with. Now, again, the numbers will start to come out let's see, about a week from now, May 5th, May 6th, for the actual April numbers, and we will see all of that data reflected in the report. Right now, we're still going from the March report. But from the boots on the ground perspective, we are definitely seeing a high demand in East County, San Diego, and these numbers, even for March, are reflective. So let's go over all the key metrics. The median sales price there is $701,000, which is just down 3% from the same time it was at last year. And if you remember, last March was pretty much one of the peak months. March, April, May was the peak months in our market because, again, everyone was trying to get in front of the May Fed funds meeting and the March Fed funds meeting, which was at the end of the month of March. So people were buying like crazy and paying a lot of ridiculous prices. We had multiple offers. So that was a very high point in the market, and we're only down 3%. The average sales price is $743,000, and that's actually up 0.5% from the same time last year. And the percentage of original list price received is 99.4%. Last year at this time, it probably was around 106 or 107%. But we're definitely up in the last 3 months, about 5, 6, 7%. So the number of homes for sale is 347 homes. That's down 41% from the same time frame last year. That is a huge difference in terms of inventory levels. Now, the number of closed sales is at 353, also down 35%. Probably has something to do with inventory. And the months of supply is under 1 month at 0.9 months, which is down nearly 20% from the same time last year. Okay, days on market is still sitting around 30, but quite frankly, all the homes that we've been seeing as a team to our clients, they're all going off the market in less than a week. So if you're looking for a home in East County, you better run, not walk out there and make quick decisions and very strong offers, because that's how people are getting homes these days in that area. And if you're having any thoughts of selling here in East County, right now is an incredible time to do that. So any questions, please let me know. I'd love to know what you think about today's segment. Please leave a comment or a DM below, and we will see you next week for Market Update Monday to start May.